Welcome, adventurers. Prepare for an unforgettable journey to Prague, Europe's magical gem. This enchanting city is brimming with history, art, and mesmerizing streets to explore. Whether you're a history buff, art lover, or simply enjoy strolling through charming neighborhoods, Prague has something special for everyone. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 must-visit attractions in Prague. From grand castles to iconic bridges, we've got all the highlights to make your trip unforgettable. So grab a cozy spot and let's dive into the wonders of Prague. First, discover Prague Castle. More than just a castle, Prague Castle is like a city within a city and one of the most significant historical treasures in the world. Imagine walking in the footsteps of kings and queens. Saint Vitus Cathedral, a stunning Gothic masterpiece with breathtaking stained glass windows. Golden Lane, a charming street lined with tiny, colorful houses that once housed guards and artists, now transformed into quaint shops. Panoramic views. The views from Prague Castle are unparalleled, perfect for your Instagram feed. Pro tip: join a guided tour to uncover fascinating stories and skip those long lines. Visiting Prague Castle feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Second, stroll across Charles Bridge. The Charles Bridge is a must-see landmark, steeped in history and adorned with captivating statues. Imagine carriages and horses crossing here centuries ago. Statue of Saint John of Nepomuk. Don't forget to touch it for good luck. Best times to visit. Sunrise and sunset provide magical lighting for stunning photos. Scenic views. From the bridge, you'll see Prague Castle and the serene Vltava River below. Walking across the Charles Bridge is like traveling through history, with every step revealing a new story. 3. Explore Old Town Square. At the heart of Prague lies Old Town Square, where history comes alive amidst vibrant colors and architectural wonders. Astronomical clock. Over 600 years old, this intricate clock puts on an hourly show with moving figures and chiming bells. Street performers and souvenirs. The square is bustling with entertainment, local crafts, and delicious treats. Cultural charm. Soak in the lively atmosphere and admire the diverse architectural styles. Old Town Square is a vibrant blend of history, culture, and fun. A perfect spot to soak in Prague's spirit. 4. Marvel at Saint Vitus Cathedral. Prepare to be awestruck by the grandeur of Saint Vitus Cathedral. Stained glass windows. These masterpieces flood the cathedral with a kaleidoscope of colors. Chapel of St. Wenceslas. A sacred and intricately detailed space that's truly one of a kind. Climb the tower. For panoramic views that capture the beauty of Prague like no other. Visiting this cathedral is a spiritual and visual experience you won't forget. 5. Cruise the Vltava River. End your Prague adventure with a serene boat ride on the Vltava River. Unmatched views, see iconic landmarks like Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, and Old Town Square from the water. Sunset magic. Opt for a sunset cruise to enjoy dinner, music, and breathtaking vistas. Wildlife watch. Spot elegant swans and ducks gliding along the river. A boat ride offers a unique perspective and a relaxing end to your Prague journey. Time to pack your bags. From majestic castles to historic bridges and tranquil river cruises, Prague is a city of endless charm and adventure. But there's even more to explore beyond these highlights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who love travel. Hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel guides. Here's to your next adventure. Happy travels.